Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and it's an unboxing video today, and it's not going to be one nor two, there's going to be three. So a trifecta of unboxings, and let's just jump straight on in. I know what the last one is, and it has a bit of a story to it. Let's have a look what we've got here. Some peanuts. Oh, and some freebies in here. Some dice. Hotter than a rolling dice. Bon Scott. Gotta love your old Bon Scott. AC/DC. That's from Tobin. He's a good seller on eBay. Let's have a look at the little goodies first. I'm a live wire. Nice. They're different, but I like them. It's just Rapira blades. The old Nasets. I've actually got a Naset. I'm planning to do a shave with these. I've got about 4 different ones. Or they're all Nasets, but they've all been made in different places. So, and Blue Strike fan, 5-edge double bench Century, Diplomat Sheffield, Durex, Don Juan, New York. I don't know much about them, so in fact I know nothing. Put you all to one side. Where shall we start? Let's go here. It's hard to find these cases in really good condition. You can find them, but not all of them are in the best of condition, and it's usually the top that lets it down. But this one's reasonable enough. So we know what's in here, so let's... well sealed. Skizzers. There we go. These look brand new. Nothing in the back, so it looks like they haven't been touched. And what razor is it? The suspense. It's right about now you throw to a commercial break, isn't it? Here we have it, a flare. And in alright condition. Oh, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Smooth. Alright, that's nice. Looks good inside. Let's see if we can get a date code on there. E3. So there we have it. Let's put that to one side. Box number 2. Let's ratchet that back a little. Oh, from America. Okay. Cuckoo. Looks like the back's broken or near broken. Oh no, it's just been held on a bit of material and stuff. Oh, no big deal. So this is what it is. So this obviously isn't a Gillette. Let's have a look, hold it up closer. I think this is a French razor. Nice and heavy. A lot of nice weight. I have no idea if this is vintage or not, or whether this razor even is the match for this case. So let's open it up. L'Arche, I think it's pronounced France. So it probably isn't a razor to case match. I could be wrong, but regardless, I'm not fussed actually. I just bought this on a whim really. Just looked nice. I have to do a bit more research, but inside the case it looks nice. Okay. And the last box. So, have a look at that tag. Give you a moment, you can see what it is there. Look at that. Today is the 2nd of March, and this was posted approximately the 16th of November. I actually didn't think this was going to show up, and I've been in contact with the seller the last couple of months, and I was about to hit him up again. So I will hit him up again and just say, guess what? It showed up. Alright, let's see. There we go. And from Germany. Ah, these are cool. I've been looking forward to these. I was hoping they weren't lost forever. So these are razor blades. Let's bring it up one at a time. I'm actually, I want to buy one of these razors, but I am I reckon I might shave with one of these blades, try them out. And the same with these guys as well. This is more just display for my collection. And I haven't really bought these to be shaving with them, although I'll give each blade a try, just out of curiosity. Okay. Whoops. There we have it. So So a trifecta of unboxings. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on one of my show vids. Take care for now. Ciao.